everyone, let's start multiplication and there are some tricks to solve exercise. So let's start. 3, 4, 6, 5, 1, 2 multiply 10. When we multiply a number with 10 and we just add 1 0 in unit column, it means that we add 1 0 at the end of number. 3465120. Now when we multiply a number with 100, we add two zeros in unit column and 10 column. It means that we add one zero in unit column and we add 1 0 in tens column. This means that we add two zeros at the end of the number and we multiply a number with 1000. It means that we add three zeros in unit column, tens column and hundred column. It means that we add 10 in unit to column, 10 in tens column and 10 in hundred column. As you can see that the result will be 346512000. Okay, this is some rules of multiplication.